Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI MatePad Pro and I'm gonna show you how to activate audio control in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to simply tap on the camera button to get access to it, and now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to move to the more advanced settings, which are in this button at the left. And as you can see, here we are, and when we slide down we get access to the audio control in the capture settings, and by tapping on this we can simply turn it on and turn it off as we need. And we can pick from say cheese to take photos and speak loudly to take photos. I'm going to stay to say cheese to show you how it works. And now I'm going to try to take a picture, cheese. And as you can see, the picture was taken by just one word without touching the screen. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.